Preparing smaller portions is sometimes necessary when you're making dinner for yourself or a variation dish for other people. Now you can prepare smaller quantities and different varieties of dishes with the slim size universal pan from Bosch. The tray is half the size of a normal baking tray, yet still optimized for easy handling. It can be stored easily in your refrigerator, and not only makes preparing smaller meals easier, but also allows for more than one meal to be prepared simultaneously. So it is perfect for people who cook small portions or 2 meals together at one time for different diets, tastes or allergies. And both results are still perfect. The pan can be easily cleaned until you are ready to cook a small and perfect portion once more. This is the slim size universal pan, the perfect solution for smaller meals or 2 variants of a dish at the same time. Bosch, invented for life.